Okay, here A is equal to the matrix 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 5, minus 5, 2, 5, 0. Okay, here we are using a column operation here. That's why take here A is equal to A into I here. Okay, here given matrix is the 1, so 3 minus 2 here, then minus after 3, then 0, minus 5, then 2, 5 and 0 here. Okay, this is a matrix here. Then this is equal to, okay, so write here A as it is here. Identity matrix 1, 0, 0 here. Then 0, 1 and 0 here. Then 0, 0 and 1 here. Okay. So A is equal to A into I here. Then using this column here, you can make these two terms 0 here. Okay. Therefore, it is a second column here. C2 implies C2 minus of 3 into C1 here. 3 into C1. Then this is the third column here. C3 implies C3 plus 2 into C1. 2 into C1. Okay, because minus already there. So just multiply by 2 and add it here. Then this term becomes 0. And here multiply 3 and subtract here. Then this becomes 0. Therefore, here second and third column changes here. First column write as it is here. So therefore 1 minus 3 to here. So 1 minus of 3 plus 2 right here. So similarly in the RHS A into first column 1, 0 and 0 here. So second column and third column changes here. Okay. Therefore, multiply first column by 3 and subtracting the second column here. So here, so write here 3 minus of 3 into 1 here. Okay. 3 into 1, it becomes a 0. So write here 0. Then 0. So write here 0 minus 3 into minus 3 here. 3 into minus of 3 minus into minus plus 3 is a 9 here. So this is a 9. So write here 9 here. So this becomes a 9. Then multiply 5 minus, okay, 5 minus 3 into 2 here. Okay, 3 into 2. 3 2 is a 6 here. 5 minus 6 is a minus 1 here. So this is a minus of 1. Okay, minus 1. Then here also multiply 3 and subtract here. So 0 minus of 1 into 3. Okay. Is a minus 3. So write here minus of 3. Then 1 minus 3 into 0 here is equal to 1. So write here 1. Then 0 minus 3 into 0 here is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. Okay. Next multiply 2 here and adding to this column here. So therefore minus 2 is there. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1 here. 2 into 1. It becomes a 0. So write here 0. This is a 0. Then minus of 5 here. Minus 5 plus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 here. 3 2 is 6 here. So minus 6 minus 5. Minus of 11 here. So it is a minus 11. Okay, minus 11. Then 0 plus 2 into 2 here. 2 into 2, it becomes a 4. So write here 4. Okay, this becomes a 4. Okay. Then here also multiply 2 here and adding to this term. So 0 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 here. So write here 2. Then write here 0. So 0 plus 2 into 0 here. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So write here 0. Then here multiply 2 and adding to this term. So 1 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 1 here. So write here 1. Okay. Okay, just observe here. Here using this minus 1, then you can make these two terms as zeros here. Okay, if you multiply 2 here, it gives a minus 2, then add it here. This becomes 0. Multiply by 4 here and add it to this term, then this term becomes 0. Hence, here is the first column here. C1 gives here C1 plus 2 into C2. 2 into C2 here. Then this is a C3, third column here. C3 implies so C3 plus 4 into C2 here. So 4 into C2. C1 implies C1 plus 2 C2. C3 implies C3 plus 4 into C2. Therefore, C1 and C3 changes here. Second column keep as it is. Therefore, both the left hand side and the right hand side here. First and third column changes here. So middle column keep as it is. Okay. Here middle column is 0, 9, minus 1 here. So 0, 9 and minus 1. And here minus 3, 1, 0 here. So minus 3, 1 and 0. Keep as it is here. Okay. So here multiply second column by 2 here and adding to this term. Okay. So I am writing here. So 1 plus 2 into this 0 is equal to 1. So write here 1. Then minus 3 is there. Minus 3 plus 2 into 9 here. 9 to the 18. 18 minus 3 here is 15 here. So this is 15. So write here 15. Then 2 plus 2 into minus 1 here. It becomes a 0. Okay, this is a 0. So similarly, here also right side here. So 1. Okay, plus 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3 here. 2 is 6 here. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So here is minus 5 here. Okay, right here minus 5. Then 0 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, it is a 2 here. So write here 2. Then 0 plus 2 into 0 is a 0 here. So write here 0. Okay. So similarly, here C3 plus 4 into C2 here. So C3 is this column here. So 0 plus 4 into 0 here is equal to 0. So write here 0. Then minus 11 here. Minus 11 plus 4 into 9. 4 into 9 here. 9 4s are 36 here. 36 minus of 11 here. These are 25. So it is a 25 here. So write here 25. This is 25. Then here 4 plus 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1, it becomes a 0. So this becomes a 0. Okay, these two becomes a 0, 0. Okay, here we want a 0, 0. So similarly, right hand side here, so 2. So right here 2 plus 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 here. 4 3s are 12 here. 2 minus 12 gives a minus of 10. So right here minus 10 is a minus 10. Then a 0 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So right here 4. Then a 1 plus 4 into 0 is equal to 1 here. So right here 1. Okay. So look here is a 25. So divide by 25. Okay. Then this becomes 1. Okay. Therefore, here this is the third column here. C3 gives a C3 divided by 25. Both the left side as well as the right hand side here. Only third column changes here. First two columns are right as it is. First two columns, both in the left hand side and the right hand side. First two columns are right as it is here. Okay, 1, 15, 0. 1, 15, 0 here. 0, 9, minus 1. So 0, 9, minus 1 here. And here minus 5 to 0. Minus 5 to 0. Minus 3, 1, 0 here. Minus 3, 1 and 0. Okay. Here divide the third column by 25. 0 upon 25 is a 0. 25 upon 25 is 1 here. 0 by 25 is a 0. And right hand side also. Divide by 25 here. So minus 10 divided by 25. Then 5 to 5 5 is here. Therefore it is a minus 2 by 5. Thereby divided by 25. Okay. So divide here. It is a minus 2 upon 5. Then dividing by 25. 4 upon 25. 4 divided by 25. 4 upon 25 and here 1 upon 25. 1 divided by 25. Okay, 1 upon 25. Okay. Then using this column here, because 1 is there, we make these two terms 0, 0. Multiply 15. Okay, subtract here, this becomes 0. Multiply by 9 here and subtract here, then this becomes 0. These two terms becomes 0, 0. Hence, here this is the first column here. So C1 implies C1 minus of 15 into C3 here. This is the third column here, C3. Okay, it is the C3 here. Okay. So similarly, this is the second column here. C2 implies C2 minus of 9 into C3. Okay, 9 into C3. Okay. Here first and second column changes. First and second. Third column right as it is here. Third column right as it is. Okay, therefore third column means 0, 1, 0 is there. 0, 1, 0. And in the right hand side here, A into bracket of third column inverse. Minus 2 upon 5 is there. Minus 2 divided by 5. 4 upon 25. 4 divided by 25 and 1 upon 25 is there. So 1 divided by 25. Third column element keep as it is here. Okay. Okay, so look here, multiply by 15 and subtract here, then this term becomes 0. Okay, therefore here it is a 0 here, so this is already 0 here. 1 minus 0 is 1 here. 15 minus 15 becomes a 0, and 0 minus 0 is a 0. Okay, Then multiply by 9 and subtract here. There is already 0. 0 minus 0 is a 0. Multiply by 9 here. 9 minus 9 becomes a 0 here. Then here is already 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is a minus of 1. Okay, it is a minus of 1. Then here multiply by 15 and subtract here. So look here. Minus of 5 minus of 15 into this is a minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 divided by 5. Just observe here, I repeat once again. Here minus 5, this element, multiply by 15 and subtract here. C1 minus 15 into C3 here. So minus of 5 here, minus 5, minus of 15 into minus 2 upon 5. Then 5 ones are 5, then 5 3s are 15, cancels here. Minus into minus becomes plus here, 3 2s are 6 here. Minus 5 plus 6 becomes 1, so this becomes a 1 here. So this is a 1. Then 2, okay, so 2 minus of 15 into this is 4 upon 5, so 4 by 25, 4 divided by 25, so 2 minus 15 into 4 upon 25, so you can cancel here. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are, so therefore 2 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 5, therefore 5 LCM, 5 2s are 10, minus of 12 here, 10 minus 12 is minus 2 here, minus 2 by 5, so right here minus of 2 divided by 5, minus 2 upon 5. Next 0, take this element, so 0 minus 15 into this element here, 1 by 25, so 1 divided by 25. Then here 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are, so it is a minus 3 by 5, so right here minus of 3 divided by 5, okay, minus 3 upon 5. Then C2 minus 9 into C3, this is the second column, this is the third column here, so minus 3, so look here, minus of 3 minus 9 into this element, minus 2 upon 5, so minus of 2 divided by 5, therefore minus 3, minus into minus plus here, 9 2s are 18 divided by 5, 5 LCM here, 5 3s are 15, minus 15 plus 18 here, 18 minus 15 becomes 3 here, 3 divided by 5, 18 minus 15 is a 3 by 5, so right here 3 divided by 5, 3 upon 5, okay. Then 1 minus of 1 minus 9 into this element here, 4 by 25, so 4 divided by 25. Then 25 LCM here, so 25 is LCM, 25 ones are 25 minus 9 4s are 36 here, 25 minus 36 minus of 11 by 25, so it is a minus 11 by 25, minus 11 divided by 25. Then this one is 0, okay, so 0 minus of 9 into 0 minus 9 into 1 by 25, so 1 upon 25, it gives a minus 9 by 25, so it is a minus of 9 divided by 25, minus 9 upon 25. Okay, here minus 1 is there. Divide second column by minus 1 or multiply by minus 1 also. Therefore, C2 gives a minus 1 into C2 here. Second column changes here. So, first and third column write as it is. So, first column elements 1, 0, 0. Third column elements 0, 1, 0 here. Okay, first and third column elements keep as this. That multiply by minus 1 here, then it becomes plus 1. Yes, 0, 0 and 1 here. then this equal to A into, on right side also, 1 minus of 2 divided by 5 and minus 3 divided by 5, then minus 2 divided by 5, then 4 divided by 25, then 1 divided by 25, keep as it is here. So I am writing first and third column as it is. Here multiply by minus here. Therefore this becomes negative and this to becomes positive here. Hence minus of 3 divided by 5, then 11 divided by 25, 11 by 25 and 9 divided by 25, 9 upon 25. Here we want identity matrix here. So interchanging these two columns here, just interchange here. So C2 interchange with C3, C2 and C3 interchange here. So first column right here as it is 1, 0 and 0. Then interchange this here. So 0, 1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1 here. Okay. This becomes identity matrix. Even right hand side also, first column keep as here. 1 minus 2 divided by 5 minus of 3 by 5. Interchanging these two columns here, minus 2 upon 5. Then 4 divided by 25. Then 1 divided by 25. And right here, minus of 3 divided by 5. Then 11 divided by 25. Then 9 divided by 25. 9 upon 25. Therefore, this identity matrix here, therefore, which is in the form of I is equal to A into B. Therefore, B is equal to this matrix here 1 minus of 2 divided by 5 minus of 3 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 5, 4 divided by 25, 1 divided by 25, then minus of 3 divided by 5, 11 divided by 25, 9 divided by 25 is the inverse of the matrix E. It is the inverse of the matrix E.